Hi children, this is Miss Yasmin. The lesson we are going to do today is in your workbook, ERA workbook, page number 67. Occupations. Okay. People do different kinds of work. Let's meet some of them. Okay, so we are speaking about the work or occupations that people do as a living. Now I'm sure your parents go to work, right? They have different occupations. So let's see. I am a doctor. I treat you when you are sick. So a doctor treats people when they are sick. Then the next one. I am a teacher. I teach you to read and write. So what does a teacher do? Teaches you to read and write. Okay, let's go to page 68. I am a carpenter. I make furniture. So what does a carpenter do? He makes furniture. Okay, then the next one. I am a blacksmith. I make and repair things made of iron. Now usually this blacksmith we don't see very often now, but those days these people were very important, no? Because they repair and make things out of iron. Okay, then the next one. I am a farmer. I grow crops. So who grows crops are vegetables and rice. It's done by a farmer. Then I am a cobbler. I repair shoes. Now cobblers sometimes we see on the roadside, isn't it? So what do? They repair shoes. Then page 69. I am a mechanic. I repair vehicles and machines. So I'm sure your fathers, they go to a mechanic, no, when the vehicle breaks down, because it's a mechanic who can repair vehicles and machines. Then I am a tailor. I make clothes for you. So where do we go to stitch our clothes? We go to a tailor. No, most of us go to get our clothes stitched, so we go to a tailor. I am a musician. I compose beautiful songs for you. So now we listen to songs, isn't it? We love to listen to music. So all of this is done by a musician. No, he composes beautiful songs for us. Then I am a baker. I bake bread and biscuits. So we get our bread and our biscuits from a baker. No, we go to the bakery to buy our bread and biscuits. Okay, right, turn to the next page, page 70. I am a singer. I sing melodious songs for you. So what does a singer do? She sings for us. No, she sings they sing in beautiful voices, no, with a melody, no, that it's nice to hear. Then the next one. I am a grocer. I sell food items and household goods. So a grocer, so when we go to the shop, they are known as grocers. They are the people who sell us the household things that we need. I am a clown. I entertain you with my funny tricks. So what does a clown do? He makes fun. No? He does funny things to make us laugh, no, to entertain us. Then I am a writer. I write interesting stories and articles. So this all the storybooks that we read or the articles in the newspapers that your parents read, they are written by writers. No, there are people who write these articles. Right, page number 71. I am a greengrocer. I sell vegetables. So your parents go to buy vegetables, no? So they go to a greengrocer. I am a fishmonger. I buy fish from the fishermen and sell it to the people. I also sell prawns, crabs and lobsters. So what does a fishmonger do? The fishmonger buys it. No, he buys it from a fisherman and then he brings it sometimes to our homes, or he has a shop and he sells. No, so what does he sell? What does a fishmonger sell? He sells prawns, crabs, lobsters and fish. So this is what a fishmonger sells. Okay, then below that, some people play sports and games like cricket, football, chess, etc. as their occupations. So what do they say? That some people do this sport as an occupation or as their jobs. They play cricket, football, rugby, chess, and all these things. Even games sometimes can be some people's occupation that they earn a living from that. Okay, let's turn to page number 72. What do they say? Let's see. Everyone has to work to earn a living. The work we do becomes our occupation or profession. So why do people go to work, children? Why do all these people go to work? Because they have to earn a living. No, they have to earn money. No, so you see, most of your parents, they go to work because they need to earn money to pay for the expenses. No, to pay for your school fees, to pay for the food, to pay for the electricity bill. No, so we see that we need to work to earn our money, and then our occupation. So then this work becomes our occupation or profession. Okay, so the work we do becomes our occupation or profession. Okay, right below that. Things to remember: everyone needs an occupation or profession to earn a living. Number 2, there are many kinds of professions. So like I explained to you, that everyone needs an occupation or a profession to earn a living, to earn money. And then the second one is, there are many kinds of professions. Okay, children, so this is the work for today. I hope you understood it. So you can do the balance work, the questions on page 72 and 73. Okay, children, so till I connect with you next, bye.